on innovation and advertisements. The horizontal type slash freezer has two patterns. It's the single drawer and double drawer. The speed of freezing is very fast. Jingring slash freezer is easy to operate. The performance of autumn control is very well. It is the first choice of the cold drink shops. Single drawer slash freezer XR108. Use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 0.6 kilowatts. The production capacity is 5 to 8 kilograms per hour. The one row and double drawer slash freezer XR216 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 0.96 kilowatts. The production capacity is 6 to 9 kilograms per hour. The one row and three room slash freezer XR323 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 1.5 kilowatts. The production capacity is 12 to 16 kilograms per hour. The one row and double compressor and four room slash freezer XR432 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating for one compressor is 0.7 kilowatts. The production capacity is 14 to 18 kilograms per hour. The horizontal stirrer, upright free container, and double drums slash freezer XR218 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 1.6 kilowatts. The production capacity is 16 to 20 kilograms per hour. The horizontal stirrer and desktop free container and single drum slash freezer XR116 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 0.42 kilowatts. The production capacity is 6 to 9 kilograms per hour. Jingling stirring ice machine series have different patterns, such as the pan pattern, the flat one, the round bottom pan, the single pan, and double pans. There are different varieties of covers to suit your choice, such as common use dust cap, semicircle dust cap, anti-sand dust cap. The anti-sand dust cap has been preset and illuminated device. You can install the light pipe at any time. The high production stirring ice machine also has default device. Jingling stirring ice machine is easy to operate. The speed for freezing is very fast. It is your good partner to make the cold drink in a fast pace. The high production and default double pan stirring ice machine CB9AO use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 0.88 kilowatts. The production capacity is 22 kilograms per hour. The dust cap, including the common pattern, the anti-sand pattern, the semicircle pattern. The common and double pan stirring ice machine CB800 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 0.51 kilowatts. The production capacity is 10 kilograms per hour. The dust cap, including the common pattern, the anti-sand pattern, and the semicircle pattern. The high production and default and single pan stirring ice machine CB400 use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 0.4 kilowatts. The production capacity is 5 kilograms per hour. Jingling machinery for food industry has many varieties, such as the multifunctional refrigerator can produce the slush, mini ice, ice cream, ice water, and so on. The double drums and spout water chiller can freeze the water in a fast pace. The egg roll oven is quite simple and the cost is quite low. It is very easy to operate. Our product is your good partner to become successful. Single Through and Multifunctional Refrigerator DLD12. Use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 1.3 kW. The production capacity is 12 to 16 kg per hour. The double through and spout water chiller BS230. Use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 0.54 kW. The production capacity is 25 kg per hour. The simple and manual drive egg roll oven SDJ100. Use the single phase power supply 220 volts. The rating is 1 kW. Jingling ice cream powder can make a smooth and delicious ice cream, which has good brownie effect and good taste. Our ice cream powder has different kinds of flavor: milk, vanilla, Pagro, chocolate, strawberry, cantaloupe, mango, peach, orange, lemon, green apple, pink apple, and so on. Retail and wholesale is welcome. Thank you for your attention.